Hello kids, I welcome you all to this new video by Study Basic Education, which is the part 3rd of the series What Do We Say to It in English. So my dear friends, let me tell you that in this series, in this What Do We Say to It in English series, we are discussing about some of the English translations of Hindi words. So let's get started. So my dear friends, आप लोगों ने अपनी किचन्स में बहुत सारे मसाले देखे होंगे, राइट? मसाले बहुत सारे आपने देखे होंगे, जैसे जीरा, इलायची एंड हमारा धनिया, ये सभी क्या हैं? मसाले, राइट? सो आज यही हमारा इस वीडियो का थीम रहेगा। बहुत सारे मसालों के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में आज जानने वाले हैं, राइट? सो सबसे पहले हम इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन देखते हैं मसाले का, दैट इज स्पाइसेस। So now let's have the second word of the video, that is tej patta. So tej patta is a spice, right? It is a spice and it is translated in English as bay leaf. Bay leaf. Now the third word, that is kesar. That is kesar and it is translated in English as saffron. Saffron. Now the last second word of the video, that is ajwain. That is ajwain and it is translated in English as caraway seeds. Caraway seeds. Now the last word of the episode is jeera. That is jeera and it is translated as cumin. Cumin. Now I would like to say to you, thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and share your views in the comment box. And if you want to contact us in an official mode, so you can contact us on studybasiceducation@gmail.com. Thank you.